How many times have we seen it? Crashes or near misses caused by a car without its headlights on. Well, to hopefully avoid this, here's when you should turn on your headlights. The short answer is whenever you feel visibility isn't ideal. You see, headlights serve a greater purpose than simply lighting our path in the dark. They actually act as a beacon for other motorists as to your position on the road, particularly in low visibility times like dusk, dawn, storms or fog. Of course, most modern vehicles these days come with daytime running lights or driving lights at the very least. Now these do a decent job in clear conditions and mildly reduced visibility scenarios, but they simply don't have the same power as headlights, nor are they paired with the tail lights. Even if you don't need your headlights to see directly in front of you, like for instance in a rainstorm, turning them on activates your tail lights, and the tail lights is what helps the drivers behind gauge how far you are in front and ideally avoid a rear end collision. As for the dark, you should think about turning on your lights as soon as the daylight starts to fade, especially if you're driving with the sun behind you. Now obviously, once the sun is set, your headlights should be on all the time anyway, but unfortunately there are still people out there who need reminding of this. So there you are, when to turn on your headlights. Now for more advice, how-tos, reviews, be sure to subscribe to our channel, drop a like on this video, and let us know in the comments below what you'd like to see more of.